Men over 40, what I'm about to tell you could change your life forever. There's a simple, natural solution sitting in your kitchen right now that can actually shrink an enlarged prostate and relieve those embarrassing bathroom symptoms that keep you up at night. This isn't some expensive miracle cure or dangerous medication with terrible side effects. It's something so common, so ordinary, that you've probably walked past it 100 times without realizing its incredible power. I'm talking about walnuts. Yes, those brain-shaped nuts that most people only eat during the holidays. But here's what the medical establishment doesn't want you to know. Eating just a handful of walnuts each day has been scientifically proven to shrink an enlarged prostate and dramatically improve your quality of life. Before we dive into this life-changing information, let me ask you something. Are you tired of waking up 3, 4, or even 5 times every night to use the bathroom? Are you embarrassed by that weak, hesitant stream that takes forever to start? Do you feel like you can never completely empty your bladder, leaving you constantly uncomfortable? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. You're dealing with an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This condition affects nearly every man as he ages, with over 50% of men in their 60s and up to 90% of men in their 80s experiencing symptoms. Your prostate is a walnut-sized gland that sits just below your bladder and surrounds your urethra, the tube that carries urine out of your body. As you age, this gland naturally grows larger, sometimes doubling or even tripling in size. When it gets too big, it squeezes your urethra like a clamp on a garden hose, making it difficult for urine to flow freely. The symptoms can be absolutely miserable. You might experience frequent urination, especially at night, a weak or interrupted urine stream, difficulty starting urination, the feeling that you can't completely empty your bladder, urgent need to urinate, and dribbling at the end of urination. While BPH isn't cancerous and won't kill you, it can make your life absolutely miserable. It affects your sleep, your confidence, your relationships, and your overall quality of life. Many men become prisoners in their own homes, afraid to venture too far from a bathroom. But here's the incredible news. There's a natural way to fight back against this condition, and it's been hiding in plain sight all along. Recent scientific research has uncovered something remarkable about walnuts and prostate health. Multiple studies have shown that these ordinary nuts contain a powerful combination of compounds that can actually shrink an enlarged prostate and improve BPH symptoms dramatically. The most significant study was published in the prestigious Journal of Nutrition. Researchers followed 117 men with enlarged prostates for 12 weeks. Half of the men ate 75 grams of walnuts daily. That's about 3/4 of a cup, while the other half continued their normal diet without walnuts. The results were absolutely stunning. The men who ate walnuts daily experienced a significant reduction in the size of their prostate gland. Even more importantly, they reported dramatic improvements in their BPH symptoms. Their urine flow became stronger, they woke up fewer times at night, and they felt like they could finally empty their bladders completely. But here's what really shocked the researchers. These improvements started happening within just a few weeks of adding walnuts to their diet. Imagine going from waking up 4 times a night to sleeping through until morning, all because of a simple handful of nuts. So what makes walnuts so incredibly effective at shrinking enlarged prostates? It turns out these humble nuts are packed with several powerful compounds that work together to fight BPH. The primary reason walnuts are so effective is their incredibly high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts contain more omega-3s than any other nut, with just 1 ounce providing over 2.5 grams of these essential fats. Here's why this matters for your prostate. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of prostate growth. When your prostate is constantly inflamed, it's like having a slow fire burning inside your body, causing the gland to swell and grow larger over time. Omega-3 fatty acids are nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. They work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in your body while promoting the creation of compounds that actively reduce inflammation. When you eat walnuts regularly, you're essentially putting out that fire in your prostate, allowing the gland to return to its normal size. Studies have shown that men with higher levels of omega-3s in their blood have significantly smaller prostates and fewer BPH symptoms. The omega-3s in walnuts are particularly effective because they're in the perfect form for your body to absorb and use immediately. Walnuts also contain high levels of L-arginine, an amino acid that has remarkable effects on prostate health. L-arginine works by relaxing the smooth muscles in your prostate and urethra, making it easier for urine to flow freely. Think of it this way. When your prostate is enlarged, it's not just bigger, it's also tighter and more constricted. L-arginine helps those muscles relax and loosen up, reducing the pressure on your urethra and improving your urine flow dramatically. Research has shown that men who consume adequate amounts of L-arginine experience significant improvements in their urinary symptoms, including stronger urine flow, reduced frequency of urination, and better bladder emptying. Walnuts are also an excellent source of zinc, a mineral that's absolutely crucial for prostate health. Your prostate contains higher concentrations of zinc than any other organ in your body, and deficiency in this mineral is directly linked to prostate enlargement. Zinc works by regulating the production of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that causes prostate growth. When you don't have enough zinc, DHT levels can skyrocket, leading to rapid prostate enlargement. The zinc in walnuts helps keep DHT levels in check, preventing further growth and potentially shrinking the prostate over time. Multiple studies have shown that men with BPH who increase their zinc intake experience significant improvements in their symptoms, including reduced prostate size and better urinary function. Walnuts are packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin E, polyphenols, and flavonoids. These compounds protect your prostate cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, and contribute to prostate growth. The antioxidants in walnuts work like a protective shield around your prostate cells, preventing the oxidative stress that can lead to inflammation and enlarged prostate. This protection may also help reduce your risk of developing prostate cancer, making walnuts a double benefit for your prostate health. Now that you understand the incredible science behind walnuts and prostate health, let's talk about how to use them effectively. The research shows that you need to eat about 75 grams of walnuts daily to get the maximum benefits. That's roughly 3/4 of a cup or about 14 walnut halves. The key is consistency. You can't eat a handful of walnuts once a week and expect miracles. You need to make them a daily habit, just like taking a vitamin. The good news is that walnuts are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them as a snack between meals, add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, toss them into salads, or blend them into smoothies. Some men find it easiest to eat their daily portion first thing in the morning, ensuring they don't forget. For best results, choose raw, unsalted walnuts. Avoid the heavily processed, sugar-coated varieties that you might find in trail mixes. The processing can destroy some of the beneficial compounds, and the added sugars can actually promote inflammation. Store your walnuts in the refrigerator or freezer to prevent them from going rancid. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are delicate and can break down when exposed to heat, light, and air. The research is impressive, but what really matters is how walnuts work in the real world. Men who have added walnuts to their daily routine report remarkable improvements in their quality of life. Take Robert, a 58-year-old teacher who was waking up 5 times every night to urinate. He was exhausted during the day, and his wife was concerned about his health. After just 6 weeks of eating walnuts daily, he was down to waking up just once per night. After 3 months, he was sleeping through the night completely. Or consider Frank, a 65-year-old retiree who was afraid to leave his house because of his weak urine stream and frequent bathroom needs. He started eating walnuts with his morning oatmeal and noticed improvements within 2 weeks. His stream became stronger, he could empty his bladder completely, and he regained the confidence to travel and enjoy his retirement. These aren't isolated cases. Thousands of men have discovered the power of walnuts for prostate health, and the results speak for themselves. While we're focusing on prostate health, it's worth noting that the daily walnut habit will benefit your entire body. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts support heart health by reducing inflammation in your arteries and lowering your risk of heart disease. They also support brain health, potentially reducing your risk of dementia and cognitive decline. The antioxidants in walnuts may help protect against cancer throughout your body, while the healthy fats can help you maintain a healthy weight and stable blood sugar levels. You're not just treating your prostate, you're investing in your overall health and longevity. If you're struggling with an enlarged prostate and the embarrassing, uncomfortable symptoms that come with it, you don't have to suffer in silence. You don't need expensive medications with dangerous side effects or invasive procedures. The solution is simple, natural, and probably sitting in your kitchen right now. A daily handful of walnuts can shrink your enlarged prostate, improve your urinary symptoms, and give you back the quality of life you deserve. The science is clear, the results are proven, and the method is simple. All you need to do is make the commitment to eat walnuts daily and stick with it. Your prostate, your sleep, and your overall health will thank you. So if you or a loved one is struggling with an enlarged prostate, don't wait another day. Start adding a handful of walnuts to your daily routine and begin experiencing the relief you've been searching for. Your future self will thank you for making this simple change today. Remember, small changes create big results over time. Start with walnuts and start today. Your journey to better prostate health begins with a single handful of these incredible nuts.